Good morning, students. Here I am back with your grammar chapter 14, future tense. Chapter 12, we have learned present tense. Chapter 13, we have learned past tense. Now, chapter 14, we are going to learn future tense. Simple future. Read the conversation. I am so sleepy and tired. I will get you some coffee. The simple future tense is formed with will or shall plus base form. With I and we, either will or shall can be used. Will is more usual. With other subjects, will, not shall, is used. We use this tense to talk about the future. I will or shall be 12 next Saturday. We will or shall know the result in a week. I suppose India will win the match. It will be Holi in a week. Now exercise 1. The verb in the following sentence are in the simple past tense. Change them to the simple future tense. Example. He was 9 yesterday. He will be 9 tomorrow. First one is done for you. Second. We went to the beach yesterday. The answer will be we will go to the beach tomorrow. My uncle arrived yesterday. The answer will be my uncle will arrive tomorrow. Third one. We saw the movie last night. Here the answer will be we will see the movie tonight. Fourth, I returned the books last week. Answer will be I will return the book next week. Fifth, we wrote a test yesterday afternoon. Here the answer will be we will write a test this afternoon. The last one, Paul flew to London last Monday. The answer will be Paul will fly to London next Monday. Now I shall explain you future continuous. Read the following sentences. I will be eating pancakes for breakfast tomorrow. Rian will be staying with us during the vacation. Will you not be willing to join us for dinner? This time next week I will be skiing in Switzerland. The underlined words in the sentence above are in a future continuous tense. From the given example, we can understand that these are some important points given in the box. Please revise it. The future continuous tense is used to show an action that can be expected to happen later on. It can be used to project or predicate the possible action to be taken in the future, which is going to be happen. It can be used to arrive at the decision by asking a question using the negative form. So these are three very important factors to know what the future continuous sentences are. In general cases, we use will be plus verb plus ing when writing a sentence in a future continuous tense. Now we shall do exercise 2. Use the verb given in the bracket to complete the sentence in future continuous tense. I will be staying at the resort this time the following week. The ship will be sailing in an hour. Father will be watching the news at 10 o'clock. The group will be performing acrobatic tomorrow night. Shall we not will be going out at 7. The baby will be walking in a month. We will be leaving for Taiwan next Monday. I will be studying at the university by the end of April. These are the sentence. The words given in the bracket we have changed in future continuous tense. Use of going to. We use going to instead of will or shall in the following situation. For plans or decision made before speaking. Is Vicky coming home soon? Yes, I am going to meet him at the airport tomorrow. I am going to watch TV in a minute because my favorite movie is on. Do you have any plans for the party? We are going to sing at the party. These are the sentences. In the following situation we use going to. Now to make prediction about the future based on the present evidence. Look at the sky, it's going to rain tonight. Germany have just scored, England is going to lose again. There have been no rain for long, there is going to be a drought soon. Now we are going to do exercise 3. Fill in the blank with will or going to. Are you watching the game? Isn't 5-2? She is going to win the match. I think you will like this book. Third, we are going to get married very soon. Fourth, I cannot join you at the party. I am going away next week. Fifth, have you heard? Neha is going to have a baby soon. Sixth, this exercise looks hard. I will help you. So here are some words which we have filled in the blank with will or going to. Now exercise 4. Make going to sentences with the following. They eat Steve for dinner. They are going to eat Steve for dinner. I wear blue dress for the party. I am going to wear a blue dress for the party. C. We not or help you. We are not going to help you. D. Jill not walk home. Jill is not going to walk home. You cook dinner. Are you going to cook dinner? Here you have to put question mark. Sumit not share his chocolate. Sumit is not going to share his chocolate. Next, leave they the house. Are they going to leave the house? H. She take part in the contest. Is she going to take part in the contest? Children, I hope now all these 3 tenses in chapter 12, 13 and 14 is clear to you. I request you to do all the exercise and practice. Thank you.